Hello and welcome to COM 206, Introduction to Health Communication. I'm Dr. Spates, giving you your Unit 3 checklist. We are now in Unit 3. We're almost towards the end of our summer session, and so I want to congratulate you on making it this far, and I want to encourage you to continue working hard as we finish up this summer semester. Just a few things I want to remind you of as we enter Unit 3. The first is to read chapters 8, 9, and 10 through our course textbook, again located here on the left side. The next is to complete case study number 3. This is your last case study of the series. I hope you have enjoyed responding to them. I've enjoyed reading them, and you can look for those grades to be posted soon. Film Appreciation 2 is featuring a documentary that will coincide with Chapter 8. Please read the instructions and submit your assignment by the end of Unit 3. There's an extra credit opportunity coming. Some of you have asked, and I've told you that it's coming, and so look out for an announcement where I am going to have an assignment there for you. It will be an optional assignment, but it will be for extra credit, and it will be available to everyone. So look out for that opportunity coming soon in just a few days. As always, you can ask questions. There's a space available for you on the discussion board of our Blackboard course site. So please feel free to visit to ask questions, or you can reach me directly by email or set up an appointment. And those appointments don't have to be face-to-face. If you would like to meet via internet, we can also meet through a Zoom conference. I will send you an invitation, and it will allow you to join by computer or by phone. So those options are available to you. I wish you a continued success throughout the rest of the semester, and enjoy your summer. Happy 4th in advance to those of you who will be celebrating, and enjoy the rest of your summer. See you in Unit 4, our final unit of the semester. Take care.